Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi Yuvika. So today's vlog is very interesting because today our professor took us to NGMA very unexpectedly, and if you all did not know, she's flexing her nose ring. Even I have one, but it's fake, but hers is real. But yeah, so NGMA, if you all did not know, they are having an AI exhibition which is gone viral over Insta, crazy, and our professor took us there today. I had a presentation from 12 to 2, yeah, but instead of the lecture he took us to NGMA, which is amazing, and we didn't even have to wait in the line. There was a very huge line, by the way. Let me show you all what we did today. So guys, today my history class, we are here. Hi ma'am. Sir has got in front.
टुकड़े टुकड़े आते थे, फिर पूरा बन गया एग्जीबिशन. दिस इज हिज वे ऑफ सीइंग इट, और उसके लिए वो स्पेशल इंडिया को रिस्पेक्ट और डेडिकेशन देने के लिए
curated this exhibition. Who is
his
the
son.
Can you just tell us the details?
Yeah, of course.
हाँ, please.
हाँ, तो
क्या नाम है?
आर्टिस्ट का नाम है निकास सफर.
So, ये basically to merge aesthetic, AI and visual.
So what happened is, why those QRs are displayed? Because whatever he felt while doing the picture, he tried to immerse it into a story. So each painting tells a story, its own story. How the vision came, how it is at the end became a static picture. So when you see the static picture and there is a view behind it, जो उसका मकसद था भावना पहुँचाने का.
तो एग्जीबिशन इज रशिया इंडिया फ्रेंडशिप का जो है उन्होंने वो किया है, और जो जो रशियन आर्टिस्ट है उनका ये एक्चुअली जर्नी को दिखाया है फ्रॉम वो एक्चुअली तो उनका जनरेशन जो आप देखेंगे कि बनारस के घाट से लेके और ये रशिया तक का, तो एलिफेंट को उन्होंने अपने आप को, क्योंकि इंडियन एलिफेंट जो है रशिया को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, तो एलिफेंट हैज़ दी बिगेस्ट मेमोरी. तो उन्होंने दिखाया, उस जर्नी को दिखाया, क्योंकि जो उन्होंने कंस्पायर किया, जो उन्होंने सोचा समझा इंडियन उसमें, तो वो उस चीज़ को दिखाया. तो उनके दिमाग में वही चीज़ें रही. तो आप देखेंगे रशिया के बीच ये अपना बनारस का घाट है, ताजमहल है, और फिर पीटर बॉक्स में वहाँ पे गए. तो ये सब चीज़ें वो जर्नी को उनके दिखाया. तो ये अपने आप में यूनिक एग्जीबिशन है, जो कि उन्होंने क्या किया कि दोनों चीज़ों को यूज़ किया, एआई मॉडल को भी, और उन्होंने पेंट किया और फिर इसको एआई से कन्वर्ट किया, सो दैट कि आगे और पीछे वो क्या सोच रहे थे, तो उन्होंने उसको एआई को पाथ दिया.
Now we are towards the Indian theme of art, and I'm with my artistic friends.
Shri Bhagwan and the technology is what they want.
Yes.
So, what's so unique about this art exhibition? Isn't it like every art exhibition? Well, no. Here, you actually have QR codes for every painting. You can actually scan the QR code and watch the painting go live. This gives us a rough idea of what the artist imagined while painting these masterpieces. Personally, I think this was a very cool and unique experience that I had for the first time, and I think everyone should definitely go visit and experience this at least once. Personally, this was my favorite painting, as I am someone who plays the piano myself, and I could actually see this masterpiece go live. So I think this was the highlight and the prettiest piece made there. And I think these videos were the ones that created so much hype over the internet. And I get why, because it's so beautiful and amazing. You could literally stand and watch it for hours. Now let's talk to my professor and my classmates and listen to their experience and what they have to say about this exhibition.
So I think NGMA has initiated this entire new experiment. We very often go to the galleries, especially to check the abstract paintings. and many times it becomes too monotonous for us. But here you would see the participation of people. When they scan the QR code, I think within one painting they unleash nothing less than 50 to 20 paintings. And it is not only just visualizing the entire impression, but it is also an expression which comes out of it. This is a painting with multiple expression, and people who like to enjoy this entire blending of art, aesthetic, as well as expression must visit exhibition in GMA. It's on till 14th of Jan 2026. So do come and enjoy and go back with your own paintings.
Thank you, sir.
How was the experience?
It is so good. I really like the Shiva Wala and the Saraswati and Lakshmi one, the photos. They're really good. Everyone must visit.
True.
I think it's very beautiful, especially the Japan picture. Like when you actually scan and you see the video, it is very pretty. And even the Shiva one is very nice. I think the Indian section was slightly more better because we could relate to it a little more.
You want to take photos of single?
But everything is beautiful, especially the flowers in the background. Very nice. Worth coming here. Don't stand in line.
Worth staying in the line, although we didn't stay in a line. We got VIP benefits.
But you should come, stay in the line. It's very nice.
She's saying this because she didn't stay in the line. We entered without a line. How did we enter without? We just walked in. We just walked in. VIP privileges.
Yeah.
We are privileged for a
Because
class.
Yeah. We had a slave presentation due. To college, whole stressed and paranoid about how our presentation will be, and we ended up coming here instead. I love history. And I love Snehal guys.
You can also collect postcards of the paintings from the merch stall. After the AI exhibition on top, we came downstairs to observe some beautiful artwork and paintings here.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And comment.
And do not forget to press the bell icon for further updates.
So we are going back home now. The exhibition is done. That's Manvika. That's Yuvika. So yeah, it was a good exhibition overall, and totally recommend everyone to go. But try not going during peak hours because of the line. Overall, it was fun. I love the experience. It's very unique. So as you all saw, there are paintings, and each painting has a QR. Oh, the sun is nice. Yeah, the sunlight. Each painting has a QR, so you all can scan, and it's amazing. It's a unique experience in Mumbai. So do check it out. Take your friends. Make sure to have fun. Okay, so now the exhibition is done, and we are heading back. It was a good experience. Loved it. We didn't have to wait in the line. We got direct entry. We didn't have to stand for 1-2 hours because we were taken by our professor and he had contacts there. But yeah, but overall, if you all are willing to stand, definitely go there. Do visit it. And we skipped this entire line and we entered. But yeah, just showing you all. Thank you so much for
And
watching.
please follow her. She's amazing. She does amazing content. She deserves all the praise in the world. We're still waiting for our vlogs, and I'm going to be featured in this. So please like, share, and subscribe and follow. Bye.
Thank you so much for
And
watching.
press the bell icon. There's a little thingy, so please press it.
हो गया ना?
हाँ.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in another video. Bye.